Alright, that's O2 Sequoia 47. It's idling about 750. I got, what do I got here? Try to aim and shoot. So short-term fuel trim is 0.75%. Long-term is 1.5 at an idle. If I give it up 2,500, fuel trim goes, short-term goes to 5.4, long-term 3.8%. Then if I go to, I'm going to go back to look at the oxygen sensor data. So engine RPM 688. Calculated load 18%. This is at an idle. So short term, I'm at -3 on bank 1. Long term, I'm at 1.5 on bank 1, but bank 2 short term is -0.02, and long term is -10. So the long term on bank 2 is -10, but the long term is like 1.5. I got two misfires on bank 2 side, 2 and 8. I'm gonna rev it up. Long term on the bank 1 is 8.5, and long term is -1.5. So now my long term at idle went back to -10 on 2, and the long term on number 1 is 1.5, but the long term is -10%. So here's my sensor voltage. Bank 1 is 0.5 at an idle. Bank 2 is 0.195 volts. And then that's weird. Hold on. Bank 2 sensor 1%. Bank 2, oh, that's voltage again. Anyway, let me know what you think. I got misfires. I can go back to misfire data. Boom. Go down to the cylinders. Alright, so number 1 did have misfires, but I don't see it. Number 4 is 54. Number 8 has 20. So lots of misfires on number 4. I don't know what happened to the number 1 misfire. That seemed to have gone away. So it looks like my misfires are on cylinder 4 and 8. Anyway, Tom out.